So I'm not sure if the sound's gonna come out at all, but we're in the jungle right now. I'm gonna shut up for a minute, and there's howler monkeys everywhere. So if you hear this crazy sound, that's what that is. I'm standing at the little place that we stayed the first night, and we're gonna stay again tonight. I'm gonna kind of just pan around and show you this. Hopefully you can still kind of hear the howler monkeys in the background. Bathrooms. Little lodge area. There's our friend Catherine and our guide Domingo. The animal noises out here are just absolutely fascinating. The entire night it was just insane what you could hear. And the howler monkeys are the best. They're so crazy sounding. We're getting ready in a few minutes to go off on a 3 to 4 hour walk searching for an anaconda. Yes, we are actually going to hunt for the biggest snake in the world. Should be pretty cool. After that, we're probably going to swim in the river where we saw probably close to 1,000 gators as we took our 3-hour boat ride down to the lodge where we're staying at. So loud. I really hope this is coming out. Awesome. Alright, we're going to take off, so if anybody finds this camera, I was probably eaten by an anaconda. Hopefully we'll make it back. See you soon.